Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to block all adult content or adult website in Windows 10 PC or laptop. We are not using any external app or any software to block adult content. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome and here type OpenDNS and search for the OpenDNS. Here we find OpenDNS.com. OpenDNS.com, it is a first link. Open the first link. Here we find OpenDNS. Here scroll down and find two links. Go to the consumer, click on the learn more. Here we find, scroll down, here we find many things. Go to the home, OpenDNS Family Shield. It's block adult content. It is IMP. Go to the setup guide. Scroll down and here we find many things: router, computer, workstation, and our PC, our mobile and the server. And we are using this DNS server. This is an DNS server. Copy it or paste on your and save on your PC or laptop. Okay. Now next step is very simple. Go to the start and type control panel. Click on the control panel. In control panel, find network and sharing center. Click on network and sharing center. In network and sharing center, here we find change adapter settings. Go to the change adapter settings. In adapter settings, we find Ethernet cable or Ethernet connection and Wi-Fi connection. If you're using by the cable or the LAN cable, then it is showing a Ethernet. And if you're using by the Wi-Fi, your net by Wi-Fi, then it is showing a Wi-Fi. I'm not using Wi-Fi, so I go to the Ethernet. Right click on the your connection, Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and go to the properties. In properties, we find Internet Protocol version 4. Select that. Click on the properties. And here we find something like this: obtain DNS server address automatically. Use the following DNS server addresses. Okay. Click at here and here we find preferred DNS server and alternate DNS server. And paste this at here. Paste the first from here to here. Copy it and paste it at here. Same thing with the second alternative. Go to the here, copy it, Control C and paste it at here, or type it as it is here. Make sure white space is not copy and type these two DNS server at here and click on OK. Click on close and after that go to the here, close. Go to that OpenDNS once again and this time type OpenDNS. Check OpenDNS. Working or not. Go to this link. Oops. And here we find our OpenDNS server is working. That means all bad sites are blocked on our PC or laptop in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you guys.